My name is Jeff.
My name is Muhammad Athif, 12th grade Mechanical Engineering of Syncro High School. In this video, I want to tell you how to make this.
This is HSS Lathe tools. HSS or high speed steel is a tool usually used in tool bits and cutting tools for drill, taps, milling cutter, gear cutter, saw blade, and the others. You can find it at market that usually sells cutting tools.
Let's begin. To make a net tools, we need something. What are they? First, we need to ready ourselves. Second, we need this. This is a net size 100 x 20 x 20 millimeters. We can use this as net tools. And the third, we need this. This is a cutting wheels or coolant. And the last, we need some bench grinder. Let me show you. This is bench grinder, but before we use it, we have to turn on the switch to connect the electricity. Follow me. We have to switch on number 8, and you close it. After that, we can use the bench grinder. We can start to drill. First, we have to drill this side cutting at angle, right? Hold it like this.
We have to make sure to touch it at grindstone as possible as we can. We must make it 8 to 10 degrees and 1 facets. Don't hold it too strong or it can scorch.
Like this. After that, we continue with this side rectangle. We hold it like this.
We have to make this side 12 to 20 degrees and 1 facet too. Be careful to sharpen it so the side cutting is not scraped out.
And the last, we need to grind this side. Front clearance angle. You hold it like this.
You should make this side 10 to 13 degrees and 1 facet of course. If the HSS feels too hot, you can dip it in cutting oils or coolant to reduce the heat.
The result like this. Okay guys, that's all from me. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you can do it like I did. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. And don't forget to follow me on social media right here. Bye.